models, which is a science and engineering practice. 2, it's why do we develop models and how do we utilize them was the question. So here is my first, second, you look at it for a second, third, and finally fourth. The biggest part was in this slide. They said it wasn't as easy to read. I had a lot more context in here, and there was a big paragraph, so they told me to shorten it and just limit it to like exactly what it was getting down to. So that was one thing, and then I changed some of the colors around. I thought it'd be easier to read, and I also got feedback of my use of images. I didn't use very many images because I felt like it went smoother without. It was a little bit easier for them to understand, they said, without all the images, because sometimes images can be confusing. So that is how I used my feedback and changed it. Alright, so developing and using models, science and engineering, practice 2. Why do we develop models and how do we utilize them? First, we use science to explain the phenomena and engineering to analyze the systems. So, we understand how the world works. This is the science part, and we're explaining why it works and how it works. And then engineering, analyze systems, build models to see how designs will perform. So then from those two, we stem down to what is a model. Models are physical and conceptual. So physical, clear, shared understanding, external analogs. So that just means really like the analogs are how the models work, structural, behavioral functions. We'll go back one. So like physical, they're out and they're open. Clear and shared understanding, they're clear, they're out, you can speak them and they make sense. External obviously just means like we're speaking them out. So we'll move to this. How do we develop the models? First, we have to construct drawings of how we want to solve it or how we want to create the model to represent the phenomena. So we're using those drawings to represent the phenomena. Then we go down to how we use them. We really use the simulations. First, we create simulations of our drawings, and then after we create those simulations, we move them into a testing. So from there, we test them and see them work and see them in motion and working. And then from that, these are our models. Our models explain a phenomena and test designs. So simply, this picture is just simply put into the last slide. Thank you.